What's up YouTube? My name is Jacob. Welcome to 911%, a channel where I bring you guys along on my many random adventures, usually with my 1997 Corolla 4S. Sometimes I have a fun, exciting day at the office. Today is one of those days. Check out behind me, you can see two completely naked GT3 Cup cars just getting ready to be liveried up for the 2018 IMSA race season. So I'm super excited to show you guys some of this crazy eye candy. Check this out. So since the cars are getting liveried up, basically they've been stripped down a little bit for the wrap team to come in and put the graphics on. There's no front splitter. They've also removed the side mirrors, door handles. But what was totally removed and looks absolutely awesome is the fact that both of these cars are wingless. And we were just joking around about how Porsche should do GT3 Cup Touring Edition without the aero, because look how cool it looks. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm gonna show you guys the other car here. This team is gonna have two cars racing. Can't wait to show you guys the livery. But for now, let's check out these cars in their showroom pristine shape before any kind of track war wounds, sandblasting, tire debris, all that wonderful racing stuff. Another thing that I thought was kind of cool, and I'll show you guys right here, is that every single Cup car that's delivered from the factory gets these this information put on here, cautioning people to not attempt to register these cars for public road use. They're completely wild detail with these cars, because I've only seen them really on the other side, just like you guys in the pits on the racetrack. But how incredibly light all these components are. So I'm gonna open this door here, and this door literally weighs like nothing. It's a carbon fiber with Lexan windows, I'm assuming, but it's just incredible how little effort it takes to open the doors. It's incredible. Just trying to be super careful with it. What do you guys think? This is crazy, huh? Of course, center lock wheels, incredible carbon ceramic brakes. Apparently these Cup cars come set up from the factory in just a neutral setting, so the teams have to prep the cars for competition. How cool is that without the wing, huh? I really can't get over it. Let's open this door here. So right now, because the door handles are off, the guys have installed these zip ties here, these fancy zip ties. You just pull on that and the door opens. And again, it's completely effortless because this door weighs nothing. You guys can see the cage here. It's absolutely incredible to get this view. It's so sick. Show you guys in the back here as well. So, you know, as light as it could be. All right guys, so I'm gonna get out of the way so that the teams can start working on these cars. as you guys can see, have just started the base coat items, such as the matte white front, and then also this matte black bottom diffuser components as well. Check out the difference in sheen from the regular finish to the matte frozen finish. It's pretty sweet. Still can't get over the spoilerless cup look. It looks so sweet. Just checking in with some process here. The white seems to be already installed here, and we're just working on some of these matte black details on the front and rear bumper. And of course on this side we already have some of that blue, the first color down. Pretty sweet. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Can't wait to show you the final cars. Here, it's been about 2.5, 3 hours since I talked to you guys last. It's a time-consuming process, that's for sure. All right, guys, we're making some more progress here with the graphics. It's another check-in here at Sportcar Boutique. Pretty long, involved process where you're still pretty much working on the first car. Check it out. Just checking in again. Probably another 2 hours went by. It's like 4 p.m. now. It's been a pretty full day. Here's the progress on the race car. Check it out. Getting closer to completion here. Check out, guys, the blue car's pretty much done. Wings back on, door handles, and the boys are getting the car ready before it gets put on a truck for its first race next weekend in Florida, which will be the first race of the series, the IMSA series. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. The other car is just getting started over here. Essentially the graphics are exactly the same, just this car is red and this car is blue. Very cool. Just gonna come over here as they're working. Check that out. It's gonna look so awesome, especially out on the track, seeing the two cars together. Look at that, eh? Awesome. Alright guys, so I'm going to sign off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next Thursday. Take care.